In this video, we will learn about links and font face, which I forgot in the last video. So, for the font face, what you want to do is type font as open a tag and type font with the attribute of face. And you're going to type equals, open the quotation marks, and I'll just put in Helvetica. And then close the quotation marks. And yeah. And then we're going to close the font. Oops. So then that turns to, well, I was working on this earlier, and I just changed it to Helvetica. But that's Helvetica. It was not at Helvetica before, and it changes the font to Helvetica. I don't know why that's yellow, because I am doing it right, but whatever. So now for links. Links, you open the A tag or the anchor tag, and you put in the attribute of href. And then you put in equals sign, quotation mark, and then the link that you want. And you have to make sure that it's http://www dot, and then the URL that you want. Not the URL, but like the domain, like youtube.com/ whatever, or just youtube.com. Because if you don't, it will search whatever directory that this file is saved in for a file called, say, youtube.com. But since you put in the http ://www dot, it'll know to look at the web and search the web for that URL. So I'm gonna do my YouTube channel, and then you can end the tag. Not end it, but like that. And the text that you want to display, you're gonna put in right now. Reveal schools on YouTube, and then you're gonna end the A tag. Then we're gonna save it, and it'll have the reveal schools on YouTube. Now, I put in the paragraph tags. If I didn't put in the paragraph tags here, it would have just showed up right next to it. And I don't want it right next to it. So you could either put in the paragraph tags to have it each as its own paragraph, or after the type it in here, tags are gone, you put in the tag BR. What that does, it's a line break, and all of this will be on another line. It's kind of like hitting enter on the keyboard, but you can't do that while you're coding, because it doesn't work like that. Say if you just hit enter, you can't, it'll still just show up right next to it, because that's how HTML works. So, or you could just put, your paragraph tags to have it each as its own paragraph. I don't know why it's doing that. And then you can put this as its own paragraph, so there'll be like different paragraphs, like paragraphs are. Now the link, you could see that it takes you to my website. Well, not my website, my YouTube channel. So that is it for this tutorial. Thank you for watching. Hopefully you watch the next tutorial, and I'll talk to you later. Goodbye.